These are some of my solar panels. This was a particularly light 4 to 6 inch snow, but you can see this is coming off real easily and nicely. The first two are small photovoltaic panels that run a circulating pump for the next 5 panels, which are hot water panels. And once we get all done with that, on the far end we have 4 photovoltaic panels that are part of a battery backup system. This is the northwest corner of my greenhouse. This is the same snow and it's very light, and this is some of the best, the easiest removal of snow I've ever done. The rake is a little heavy, so you can see the flex that I have to put in to move that rake up and down. And when we get back over to the other side, I'm going to go back to the beginning. And when I go back there, you'll see that it's actually easier to push the rake up, slide it up, and flip it. There, we had to lift it, and now we're going to flip it and pull. And flip it and pull. Flip it and pull. This is my wood drying shed. I got rid of the original audio because I was running my tractor and it was really loud in the background. You can see that this snow is coming off real easily again, and I'm trying to avoid those wires to the right because that's an electric fence for my deer. On the right is the original head for the Snow Rake. It works well, but it's really too small. This rake is made with a 1/2 inch thick 4-pound polypropylene. It's 6 inches by 35 inches. The wires are held to the pole with a hose clamp and then wrapped with electrical tape to protect the greenhouse and the solar panels. There's a piece of double wall polycarbonate added to the back that was left over from my greenhouse. It stiffens up the foam and is lightweight. It could be replaced with a 1/4 inch or less piece of plywood. The aluminum extension pole has a broomstick thread on the end. I made up the nut shown and may have a 3D printed replacement made up soon. Here I'm manually tipping the solar panels down. This is 8x, so it's a lot faster than it really happens. And the snow is falling off pretty much all by itself. I have to get a little bit of it scraped. And right there I'm cleaning up the eye for looking for the sun. And now this is back to the automatic mode and it's turning towards the sun.